Hey guys, Owen Jones here from Tommy Docks. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect our flat face connector to the Flex floating dock product. Super simple design. You've got two connectors, one that has a through hole, which you can identify as your top bracket, and one that has a stainless steel threaded insert, which of course is your bottom. For hardware, all you have is a stainless steel bolt and fender washer, and we feed it through the top bracket to start. Once you have it fed through, you can add it to the dock. I like to finger tighten it before I use the drill. Important thing to note, this is a 9/16 socket on this drill, and I have it set to 10 so I don't over torque it. Now that I have the bracket tight, I can add cleats. I can add our solar LED stealth light. I also use this bracket for the gangway and our ladder mount. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube page, our website, TommyDocks.com. Email us, info@TommyDocks.com. And as always, thanks for watching.